Yeah, it's funny, people always want to go work in the States, but they have no idea how good they got it now. So they went there, worked the hell out of them, you know, and have no time off.